What is up? Is indeed I, the boy, Simon Says. And I got a little tutorial for you right now, off rip, coming straight from the dome. Now, as you can see in the title, I'm going to explain to you how to make Ableton work with Chordie. And if you don't know what Chordie is a program. Let me switch the screen. Chordie is a program that will show you what you play live. So if you never studied any music theory whatsoever, shame on you. You can open this and actually play it in your keyboard and it will tell you what it is. Oh my god, that's amazing. Look at that. C major 9th. I didn't even know that, to be honest. So whatever. The downside to this, it doesn't have any sound. So if you don't have a keyboard that natively has a sound, it's gonna be difficult. So what do? Step number 1, you get yourself what's called loopMIDI. loopMIDI is a virtual driver that will basically, what it'll do, it'll send the signal from Ableton to loopMIDI to Chordie so that it all works together. So download this and run it, and always run this first. So all you gotta do is just press this plus and you're good to go. All right. Secondly, get the Chordie app. Unfortunately, it is not free. But if you have a spare $20, want to make sure that you get the best for yourself, for your growth, get the app. It's like 20 bucks. It'll change your life. Trust me. Open up your Ableton. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, boom, pow. So now we're in Ableton. Go to preferences. I'm just going to increase the screen so it's better for you to see what I'm doing. loopMIDI should already be open. That should be open first, always. Go to link MIDI and you will see you have an output here called loopMIDI port. Turn this on. The input does not have to be on. It doesn't matter because there's no input coming from loopMIDI whatsoever. Go to any MIDI track that you have open in your MIDI from. Choose whatever controller you'd like to use. For me, it's my Launchkey MIDI. And then select MIDI to loopMIDI port. Now, whatever I press here will reflect immediately onto loopMIDI. I don't know why I closed it. You see how it says 48 bytes, 42 bytes. These are all the numbers that I'm pressing, or the things that I'm pressing. Now, you still have no sound. So how do we get around that? So you open whatever thing you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and open a piano. Less dynamic, make it hard actually, because we hard around here. So now if you press Control and then select both, you can arm multiple tracks at the same time. You see? It's amazing. Now, we don't need all of that. We just need these 2 tracks. Now we can hear a piano. After this, open up your Chordie. Bada bing, bada boom. It is in here. You can hear what you're playing and you can also see what you're playing. Now, if that's not amazing, then I don't know. That will be all for the tutorial. This is a great way for you to learn music theory and to see and understand what you're actually doing when you're playing the keyboard. Also nice because Chordie also has a fretboard that will show you what to do. If you really want to translate that, I don't know why you'd want to play something like this. That looks crazy to me. But that will be all for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. I know this is specifically for Ableton, but it should work the same way with other DAWs that you use. If not, just route it out. If not, hit me up. These are my socials right here. Hit me up. We can talk. Maybe we'll figure it out together, you know? And I'll catch you guys on the flip. I'm hungry. I'm gonna make something to eat. Like, we done here. That's it for the video. You can go home. You can go home. That's it. It's done. Finished. Go home. Don't be looking at my booty like that. You guys are